Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Download the WealthSimple app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, then open it on your phone. Step 2. Tap the Sign Up button and enter your email address, then create a strong password that you'll remember. Step 3. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox, and make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Step 4. Answer some basic personal questions about your name, date of birth, and residential address to complete your identity verification. Step 5. Connect your bank account by selecting your financial institution and logging in with your banking credentials so you can start funding your account. Once you've completed all 5 steps, you'll have a fully functional WealthSimple account ready to invest and manage your money. The whole process usually takes about 10 minutes, and you'll get immediate access to start exploring your investment options. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.